last couple of months, I have tried IronClaw and OpenClaw. So let's talk about pros and cons of both of these platforms. OpenClaw is the generalist framework. It can work between 50 plus platforms at the same time. It can manage local files and it can run at the same time multiple skills. Some of the big pros of OpenClaw is the fact that it has a huge community and access to Claw Hub, where it has a lot of projects. At the same time, it is very simple. It is also multi-model. It supports more than 20 different LLMs. Some of the cons are the fact that there's very little security there. Second is it's actually still complex, as it's very heavy on RAM. And that is because the structure is very mixed up. Hence, there's less safeguard built around it. Now let's talk about IronClaw, which was built by Near Protocol and it's on Web3, but you won't even know about it. On one hand, it is complex if you set it up on your local machine and it takes quite some time. But there's also a web version which is run on cloud, which is super easy and simple to use. I have tried it on my Telegram. Today, I have several agents from IronClaw and several agents running from OpenClaw, and all of them are in my Telegram, so I can use any of them. When I was setting up IronClaw, I decided to go easy peasy, so I'm just using their version on cloud. So it actually has only like 3 steps when you setting it up. I recommend you try it. IronClaw is much lighter, it's built on WebAssembly, and it also is very secure, well, much more secure than OpenClaw. It also has an optimized CRM, so it has a lot of dashboards pre-built, which I really love. It's super simple from the UI perspective. The minuses are that if you're setting it up on your local machine, it is a little bit more complex. You need to be more engineering and have a little bit more patience. And the other minus is it has a smaller ecosystem, so there's not as many projects that are available to just go and use. IronClaw is more specialized right now, and because it's a sales machine, they're not as focused on many projects, just like OpenClaw has a big community. But also you have to remember that IronClaw is newer, and because it's built in Web3, that community is smaller than the usual community of developers. And I think one of the reasons why it is happening is because IronClaw was written in Rust, so it's not as convenient and easy and light, where OpenClaw is written in Node.js. Here I'm going to attach 2 videos, one for OpenClaw setting up and another one for IronClaw. I want you to try it and let me know which one you like the most. And I'll see you in another video.